crew are just fantastic. They're brilliant, and we've really become quite the family now. They've all delivered in spades.
One of the key bits of feedback I get from especially new crew that come in is they talk about how friendly the crew is and how welcome they feel when they come and join the team.
There's a reason it's art department. There is no one person that could possibly make this happen, especially on this scale. The team is everything. Without that, it would be nothing.
Everybody is vital in a way that I never understood working on smaller projects. I'd see these huge shoots and be like, why do they have so many people? There's never going to be enough work for all of those people. Everybody is working all of the time to the absolute max capacity to pull off what we're trying to pull off in this short of amount of time. And I watch big production TV shows and I'm like, they didn't get it as right as our guys did, because our guys care.
I found Sam complete by accident. The first mixer I ever worked with after my apprenticeship was Craig, so he gave me my big start, and I fell in love with it.
If they'll see something that's not right, they'll be like, wait, I'm gonna go fix that, because they care about it. So part of the reason the quality is so good of the final product is because everybody, literally in every department, top to bottom, cares about making the final product the best that it can be.
Being the last day is definitely quite emotional. This project has kind of formed the last sort of decade of my working life.
We're really, really grateful and happy and proud.
Great pub!